All right, so as you can see, as my lovely little track leading to the mower, I got it to run. I got the deck engaged. I forgot a pair of pliers under the deck, so they got a little chewed up, but none worse for the wear. They're Craftsman, so they're good forever. But now as I'm moving out, I encountered the issue where it won't start, or in fact, show you what happens. Let's lock my PTO in, or not my PTO, my brake. It's locked. I got to get my dead man in place because I hate the dead man. I think it's kind of stupid, but that's my own 2 cents. Let's get the dead man going through our little saddle hole. So as you can see, my dead man is right there. So let's go ahead and try to bump this guy over. All right, so we got our computer coming up with our hours on it. I'm gonna hit this, I'm gonna set the camera down, and what you guys are gonna hear is nothing, because there's another problem. And that problem is, and I'm gonna show you it, is actually the park safety switch, or the brake safety switch. It looks like my switch is broken. Let me get my glove out of the camera lens here. But see how that lens, or that switch there, is not in that little hole? That's my problem. So I'm gonna reach in there because this thing is hotter than the devil right now. It's pretty toasty. I'm gonna press the little button back in that little hole there and see what I can get going, and hopefully we can get going again. So let's get my glove in there, push, and God, real nice when you can't see anything, John Deere. I really like that. That's a great feature. All right, let's try out. That's really hot. Out. All right, there we go. There's the switch back in place, as we can see. So again, that is the brake, clutch, parking brake, whatever you really want to call it there. So hopefully we can get back and mowing. Let's give it a fire and see what we can get here. All right, put the phone down, activate the dead man. Oh, heck yeah, baby. That's how we do. Give it some gas. There we go. All right, it's time for me to mow my yard. Bye.